Introducing Moallem, your new teaching assistant. Moallem on iPad is created specifically for teachers in schools that are using Maktab to help you oversee your students' progress, assign new lessons, and tasmir the lessons that you have assigned them. Assalamu alaikum students, let's begin our Quran lesson. Getting started with Moallem is easy. Just download the app, create a class, give it a name, and add your students to join in. You will only need to add students into your class as registration into Maktab is handled by your school. Now let's look at what surah we're going to learn today. Moallem allows you to quickly assign lessons for everyone in the class. Tap on the plus button on the top right and select Create Lesson. You can select the surah that you want to assign and whether you want to assign the whole surah or a range of ayat. Once you confirm the lesson, every student in the class will receive the same lesson. You can also customize a lesson to a particular student. Tap on the student's name and under his profile, tap the Create Lesson button, select a surah and the ayah you want to assign. To delete a lesson, tap on the Edit button followed by the red button on the lessons that you want to delete. One of the most important components in memorizing the Quran is tasmir, where your students come to you and recite the surahs that they have memorized. Upon receiving the lessons you've assigned to them, students begin by memorizing the highlighted ayat and proceed to learning the meaning of each word by swiping through a series of flashcards and answering quizzes. They then complete the lesson by going to you for tasmir. You know that a lesson is ready for tasmir when the checkbox next to it turns white. Tap on it, listen to your students' recitation, and rate it. Each lesson they complete gives them a point that they compete in the leaderboard with the rest of the class, year, and school. With Moallem and Maktab, you'll transform the way your students interact with the Quran and build a generation that loves the word of Allah.